Hi students, happy morning to all. Today I am going to teach you ninth standard video, ninth standard English. English, ninth standard grammar tense. Unit 5 grammar tense. Okay students, shall we move? So tense plays a crucial role in the English language. It denotes the time of an action. Tense has is the three main types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each tense has four subdivisions. What are they? Present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, and past continuous. Past tense. Past tense. What are the subdivisions of past tense? Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Next, future tense. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Now we are going to see the past tense. Past tense. Already we saw the present tense. So present tense, simple present. Simple present, once again we remember that simple present tense uses true in the past, habits, general fact or truth, future timetables are and schedules. For example, true in the present, he works in a studio. He works in a studio. It is true. Yeah. Next, habits. I always drink coffee at work. Yes, I always drink coffee at work. General fact and truth. The sun rises in the east. Yes, that is the truth. And future timetable schedule. Classes begin next week. Okay. Next, present continuous uses an action happening now, fixed plans, temporary action, trends, longer actions in progress now. So temporary action, happening now. For example, it is raining. Fixed plans, I am meeting my friends after work. Temporary action, I am working in New York this week. Trends, more and more people are using cell phones to access the internet. Longer action in progress now. Example, she is studying to become a doctor. Next, present perfect. So present perfect, an action completed in the immediate past. Present perfect, an action begun in the past and completed in the present. Action completed in the immediate past, even in the past at an unspecified time, duration from the past until now, change over time, repeated events in the past until now. Okay, so action completed in the immediate past. For example, I have joined the duty. She has completed the homework. Next, even in the past at an unspecified time. For example, I have been that movie. Duration, he from the past until now, he has been a teacher since 2002. So next, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. What is present perfect continuous? It is the present perfect continuous uses an actions happening recently, duration from the past until now, temporary actions going on for a period of time. So actions going on for a period of time. For example, it has been raining. The sidewalk is best. It has been raining. The sidewalk is wet. Temporary action, I have been practicing for 5 years. Duration from the past until now. For example, he has been teaching for 10 years. Actions happening recently. She has been exercising a lot recently. Okay, students, I hope you understood. You have understood the present perfect. Now we are going to see about past continuous. Past continuous. So each tense, I already told, each tense has four subdivisions. So past tense have four subdivisions: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. First one, past simple past. So simple past, this tense is used to describe an action. That has already happened. This tense is used to describe an action. Series of complete action, habits in the past, complete action in the past, duration in the past. So, what are the structure? Subject plus verb in past form. Irregular verbs: eat, that is eat present tense, ate past tense, eaten past participle. So past tense uses an action series of completed actions that has already happened. That means habits in the past, completed action in the past, duration in the past. For example, I walked to work today. She arrived late to school. I ate my lunch in the cafe. I saw my friend in the shop. Okay, series of completed actions. Series of completed actions means, for example, he entered the room, turned in my direction and smiled at me. He entered the room, turned in my direction and smiled at me. Habits in the past. For example, I was good at dancing when I was a teenager. So it is the past, habits in the past. I was good at dancing when I was a teenager. And completed actions in the past. Yeah, I see that. We see that she arrived late to school. I went to bed at 10 last night. Next, duration in the past. He stayed up all night. He stayed up all night. We lived in Chicago for a year. Okay, students. Next, past continuous. Past continuous. This tense is used to describe a past action that was ongoing. This tense is used to describe a past action. A past action that was ongoing. This action may have been interpreted or another action also occurred. So this tense is used to describe a past action that was ongoing. This past continuous structure: subject plus was or were plus verb. Was or were plus verb plus ing. So was is a singular verb, were is a plural verb. So I see he eat. If the subject I see he eat, we use singular verb was. If the subject we, they, you, we use plural verb were. Okay, and past continuous. Past continuous is this tense is used to describe a past action that was ongoing. So action before and after a specific time. Yesterday at noon I was eating lunch. Yesterday at noon I was eating lunch. To start a story, create an atmosphere. While I was driving to work yesterday. While I was driving to work yesterday. Interpreted continuous past action. I was watching a movie when she called. I was watching a movie when she called. Next, repeated action. Repeated action means my last roommate was always leaving dirty dishes in the sink. That is a repeated action, often with always. So my last roommate was always leaving dirty dishes in the sink. So his regular he often do this. Okay, and a parallel action. I was reading while my brother was playing guitar. See this example, see the slide. I was working all day to finish my work. So this action, a past action. It's a past action that was ongoing. Okay, so next, we were walking home when my mom called me. He was waiting on her when the bus finally arrived. Next, okay students, I hope you enjoyed and learned past tense, that is a simple past and past continuous. Okay students, next, in our next class we will see past perfect and past perfect continuous. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.